I'm going to show you a quick, possible, easy fix on your Skyworth Android TV remote. Okay, maybe you have issues where you have like a slow response or delay response when you try to press like right. It doesn't go right away. It may take like a second, or it may take like 2, 3, 4, 5 seconds. Even when you go down, it's just very hesitant. Or maybe you have like one button or several buttons not working. It could be the power button. It could be the volume up. It could be any button. Anyway, I'm going to give you 3 quick fixes, possible fixes. Note that this is only going to help some of you guys, like 50%, okay? So this is the first thing you want to do is go ahead and make sure your Skyworth Android TV is on, turn it on, and then while it's on, what I want you to do is grab the power plug, wherever it's plugged into, and then pull the plug like that, wait 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, go ahead, plug it back in, turn on your TV, and see if your remote is working the way it should. If not, we're going to go to the next step. Next step is go ahead and grab your remote, and what I want you to do is pull out the batteries. Take the batteries out. Now, once you have the batteries out, grab your remote. First thing I want you to do is with the power button here, just press and hold for 15 seconds. Press and hold. We're doing an electric discharge here. Press and hold for 15 seconds, power button. After 15 seconds is up, go ahead and let go. Now what I want you to do is I want you to spam, basically press every single button on here, every single button, okay? Go crazy. You got the directional buttons, home, menu, even down here, Netflix, volume up, down. Every single button needs to be pressed in multiple times, okay? Because typically what happens is if you get like water or sweat, lotion, coffee, or even like dust and stuff gets stuck in one button, it can cause issues in other ones. Sometimes when you're pressing these buttons, you may find one that's kind of like stuck. What you want to do is just press it kind of hard, every button, keep going over, make everything all nice and loose. After you do that, give it a couple whacks like this. Then put the batteries back in, but don't put the back lid on yet. Put the batteries back in, turn your TV on and see if your remote is not working. Now, if it's not, what I want you to do, the same thing again. Go ahead and pull the batteries back out, press and hold the power button for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, go ahead and spam every single button on here like crazy. Typically, it takes me like 3 or 4 times, but I want you to try this step. Keep trying it for at least 6 times. If it didn't work on your 6th time, then the next thing what I want you to do is, with the batteries you have here, what I want you to do is get another set of batteries. It doesn't have to be brand new batteries. Just get another set of batteries, pop those in, and then see if your remote is working correctly, okay? Anyway, like I said, this will only help like 50% of you guys. So if this helped you, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what step it worked for you, or you think that worked. If it didn't work for you, give me a thumbs down. We should see a 50-50, all right? Good luck, guys.